Hello guys, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Magnus video tripod. I like these tripods, they're very versatile. Open it up, you see we have the case inside of a plastic sleeve. It's folded over. Next we have the instruction manual, owner's manual. Not a whole lot there, plus 2 Allen wrenches. Then we have the tripod already assembled. The head is on it, everything's together. Just need to pull it outside of the plastic. We have a plastic sleeve. We have a little tag on here. Move you. Just trash, given some dimensions. Nice little feature on here that keeps the legs together. If you pull on this tag, you can release it so that the legs can come apart. And then you can snap that right back on. It's a little metal ring around a circle there. Now the legs are actually locked together. So it'll be handy as you put it into the bag. Slide this out of. Unfold it. And unzip it a little bit. Or all the way, whatever you want. Just grab and slide it right in. With all the legs together, the tripod down. The handle down, I mean. Great. You're ready to travel.